Hello everyone, my name is Saad and I welcome you to this Microsoft Copilot course in which we will learn how you can be more productive at work and do your task faster with the help of AI. So what is Microsoft Copilot? As ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot is just like a cousin of ChatGPT with much similar functions, but even better than that because since it is a Microsoft product, it is integrated with all the other Microsoft applications. So Microsoft Copilot is a generative AI tool which uses natural language to help you in your day-to-day task. And how it helps you in the day-to-day task, because it has the access to the real-time information via browser, and the most popular browser that it uses for that is Bing. And moreover, since it is a Microsoft product, it's integrated in almost all the Microsoft applications like I told you before. So this makes it even more powerful than ChatGPT. So in this course, we are going to cover everything that Copilot free version has to offer. So if you are a beginner, then this course will be great for you because you don't have to buy any monthly subscription to start using Copilot, and you can still use all the free features that Copilot offers. So let's see what we will cover in the course. First of all, we will see how you can sign in with your Outlook account to access free Copilot version. And then we will see how you can write your first command in Copilot. We will also learn how you can write professional emails with the help of Copilot. Then we will move forward and learn how you can write the blog post or articles. You can also create the logo for your business in Copilot. You can create banner images. You can generate some random images for your designs as well. You can even upload and scan images with Copilot, and we will cover more amazing functions that is mentioned here. So let's start this journey together and I'll see you inside.